Are you looking for halal dividend stocks to build passive income in 2025? In this video, I'll share 5 Sharia-compliant dividend stocks that offer consistent payouts and long-term growth. Stay tuned. Before we get into the stocks, here's a quick reminder of what makes a stock halal under Islamic finance. No haram industries. No alcohol, gambling, pork, tobacco, banks, or unethical businesses. Financial ratios. Debt must be below 33% of assets, and interest income under 5%. Now, let's dive into the top 5 halal dividend stocks for 2025. First on our list is Apple, the world's largest tech company, known for iPhones, MacBooks, and its strong financial stability. Dividend yield, 0.5%. Debt under 33%, halal certified. Massive cash reserves, and brand dominance. While Apple's dividend is small, it's a safe, long-term halal investment with strong growth potential. Next, we have Texas Instruments, a leader in semiconductors used in cars, smartphones, and industrial tech. Dividend yield, 2.5%. Low debt and high cash flow. 25+ years of dividend increases. This makes TXN a great stock for stable passive income. Next, we have Johnson & Johnson is a strong healthcare stock that has paid dividends for over 50 years. Dividend yield, 3%. Essential healthcare products equals stability. Resistant to market downturns. If you want a defensive stock for passive income, J&J is a solid choice. Next, we have Procter & Gamble as a global leader in consumer goods, producing everyday essentials like Tide and Pampers. Dividend yield, 2.5%. 60+ years of consecutive dividend increases. Steady demand equals low risk. This stock is great for consistent and reliable dividend income. Last, we have Broadcom, a semiconductor company essential to 5G, AI, and cloud computing. Dividend yield, 3.5%. Strong financials and cash flow. High dividend growth rate. If you want tech exposure with passive income, Broadcom is a great option. If you don't want to pick individual stocks, you can invest in halal dividend ETFs, such as SPUS S&P 500 Sharia ETF, HLAL FTSE USA Sharia ETF. These funds diversify your investments while keeping them Sharia compliant. These 5 halal dividend stocks provide a great way to build passive income in 2025. If you're looking for steady, ethical investments, consider these picks. Recap of the top 5. Apple. World's top tech company with steady growth. Texas Instruments. Reliable semiconductor leader. Johnson & Johnson. Strong healthcare investment. Procter & Gamble. Essential household products. Broadcom. High dividend tech stock. Want to start investing in halal dividend stocks? Check the link in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Islamic finance tips.